How to find nearby people on Instagram. Instagram does not have a direct feature to find nearby people like some other social platforms, but you can use a few methods to discover people or accounts in your vicinity. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram on your mobile device and log into your Instagram account. Once logged in, simply tap on the magnifying glass option available at the bottom. In the search bar, type the name of your city or a nearby landmark. Then, once you do so, tap on the places to view posts tagged at that location. Now, browse the post and find people in your area. People often tag their locations in posts and stories, which can help you find nearby users. Open a post or a story and look for the location tag at the top of post or near the story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.